In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shop members on Etsy. Adding shop members is a great way to introduce the people behind your brand and make your shop feel more personal and trustworthy. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, go to your Etsy Shop Manager dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns the shop you want to edit. You can access Shop Manager from the top of the Etsy homepage. Once you click it, you'll land on your main dashboard where you control your listings, orders, and settings. From this dashboard, look for the menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings. This is where Etsy keeps all the options related to how your shop works and how it appears to customers. Give it a second to load if your connection is a bit slow. Next, within the settings area, click on About Your Shop. This section controls what buyers see when they visit your shop's About page, including your story, photos, and your team. The goal here is to show that there are real people behind the products. Inside the About Your Shop section, find and click on Add Shop Member. This will open up a form where you can enter details about the person you're adding. Think of this as their profile within your shop. Start by clicking into the name field and typing in their name. Use the name you want customers to see. It could be a first name, full name, or a nickname, as long as it fits your brand and the person is comfortable with it. Then click on Add a Role. Etsy will give you some suggested roles to choose from, like owner, maker, designer, or other typical shop roles. Pick the one that best matches what this person actually does. If none of the default options fit, choose the custom role option and type in a description that makes sense, such as packaging specialist or customer support. Next, click on Add Photo to upload an image of the shop member. A clear, friendly headshot works best. Make sure the photo is good quality and represents your brand well. It doesn't have to be formal, but it should look professional enough for customers. After that, click into the bio section and write a short description about them. You can mention what they do in the shop, what they enjoy making, or a small personal detail that feels relevant, like their favorite material to work with. Keep it warm and concise. When you're happy with the name, role, photo, and bio, scroll down and click on Save. Etsy will update your shop's About page, and your new shop member will now appear for customers.